you beautiful people from Vegas. This is Darla coming at you, and I just wanted to jump on here real quick and give you a quick little recap from this incredible weekend that I just finished. And it was mind-blowing, to say the least. To be able to be in a room filled with all these incredible entrepreneurial women and to hear their stories and their adversities and what it took for them to get over all of their whatever they had to get over to make it to be where they are, and their journey and their process, and the millions and millions and millions of dollars that they've made and what it's allowed them to be able to do in the lives of others, and the way that they help people and pour their lives into people. It was just amazing. So for those of you that don't know Eric and Marina Worre, they're the founders of GoPro, which in our industry, it's a big deal. They're big mentors to every single person in the network marketing arena. And every single one of these people on stage talked about how they had to get their mind straight. They had to work on themselves. They had to learn to see that they were able to do it and that it was possible. And they talked about how they had to learn how to communicate with their spouses, and how they had to learn how to become no big deal type of people, and they had to learn how to connect and all of that stuff. And then as the weekend went on, and today is a wrap up, Marina and Eric did a segment that just had me in tears. And it was a segment on what they had to go through personally in order to be able to find each other and to be able to build this incredible marriage that allows them to be able to do what they do today. And they gave so many tips about mastering the art of human connections, learning how to communicate, learning how to build more love out of the one you love, learning how to mirror emotions, all these things that are in my course, my year-long course. And he even talked about how it takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. We can tell you all the things now, but you got to go find a mentor, and you got to find somebody to help you learn how to do this. It was like total confirmation and validation for me. And it just fills my heart to know that I can fill that void. And it was just huge, because until you can go on to mentor teams of people and make millions of dollars and lead other people, you got to get this straight. You got to get this straight. You got to get these straight. And you got to get this straight. And they sent everybody off today with the message of find a mentor. Get a mentor, get a coach, invest in yourself, start learning how to communicate, start learning how to change your thoughts, start learning how to connect, start learning how to not be a big deal type of person. And I couldn't be any happier. So I just thought I'd touch it and share that with you. And I am out to do Vegas. Bye.